Hello everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to get your data from the National Data Buoy Center. If you go to noaa.gov, you'll be at this site. You can find data in a couple of different ways. This is one quick way right here. You go up to historical data, click on that, and this will show you buoys that have data anywhere around the world that mostly the US maintains. You can double click on an area and it'll get closer and closer. And so if we do that, or you can just do typical browsing methods of expanding. I'm going to go up to Cape Cod because we're all kind of familiar with that. And this Chatham buoy I think will work for us. If I click on this, you will see down here a little pop-up box that gives you some status. And if I look at the view history, we're going to just try to get some fairly recent data about air temperature and water temperature. And if we search here for historical meteorological data, we get a dialog box that looks like this. You can also get to this same spot, and I'll go back and show you by going from our start here at home and then going under observations to historical observation search. And this can be handy because as you zoom in again, you can kind of mouse over certain buoys and it'll tell you when they've been active. So if you're looking for data from a certain window of time, that can be very, very helpful. Whoops, so here's Chatham again, and if I mouse over that, you'll see that it has data only from the last few years, but that's okay. I'm just going to try to get some fairly recent data. And so I click on that and it'll be, I can submit. It puts in the station ID number. Usually it's numeric. This I think is an abbreviation for Chatham 3. I hit submit and I will get back to where I was the other method. All right. So I'm actually not going to fill this out. You can, if you want to, say, get targeted data. And this might be the way you would do it if you're a professional and you've got a lot of expertise in this area, but I found it to be easier just to filter through all of the data later. And here's what you do. You just simply click submit down here, and up comes this link that has all meteorological observations, okay? And so when you click on that, then you go right to the data. And what I like about this is that you can immediately see whether or not it has the things that you're interested in. Sometimes there are gaps for months, sometimes there are gaps for days, and this way I can look and I can see that A is for air temp and then the W is for water temp. So these are my parameters that I'm going to be interested in right now. And then I also see over on the left, I think it is just going to come into view now, that it has started in the first month, January, and if I scroll down, it'll go all the way to the 12th month, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up to the top, and if I actually pull this browser down, you can see I can just go up here and get the URL, and I want to make sure the URL starts off with the HTTPS part, and I can just copy all of this, and that is a link to my data, all right? Once I've done that, then I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide something for me. And so I'm going to get a new page and I'm going to start up a new conversation. And there's a page with some AI engineering advice on it. And I am going to start asking ChatGPT to help me write code that'll then interface with Colab, okay? So you get Colab up and launched, and then I'll show you what to do next. Thanks so much.